What's going on, guys? It's Greg, and some of you have been asking about Teespring SEO because I keep talking about it. So today you're going to get a video specifically on Teespring SEO. So without further ado, let's get into it here. So first thing we're going to do is just come to our campaigns on our dashboard. And now you're going to have to do this individually for all of your campaigns. It is the most tedious part of all the Teespring process, but trust me, it's so worth it. SEO takes a couple months, somewhere between 2 and 6 months to fully kick in on Google, on search engines. So you won't see these results right away. In the meantime, just focus on social media. But after those couple months, once this sets in for all your campaigns, you will be thanking me. So this is how we do it. So just come into your campaigns over here, just right on your dashboard. And these little pencil icons are your edit. So we're just gonna click one of these. And then at the bottom right here is the listing tags. So many people overlook this, but this is how Teespring knows where to put your shirts, what kind of campaigns you're making. So you're allowed to do 10 tags here. You can start guessing here, and once you type in your tags, it'll give you suggestions. So that's a good place to start. Now, if you want to take this the next step, this is what I do, is I actually come over to Google Trends here, and you can type in what you're thinking. So if this was, as we saw over here, this is a yoga shirt. So all we're gonna do is type in yoga shirt. That's the first thing I'm gonna go with here. Now what this is gonna do is show you on a graph over the course of the last 12 months, how many people have been searching this term on Google. So this is a good judgment. So that's our first line right here. Now we're going to add a comparison. So we're gonna add yoga t-shirt. Just another thing that sounds like it would be a good tag. Now, as you can see, yoga shirt has like 10 times the searches of yoga t-shirt. So yoga t-shirt does not make the cut, but we're gonna leave it there for now. You can add 5 at a time on Google Trends. And what we're gonna do is add 5 and keep cutting out the one that falls to the bottom. So right now the red one is at the bottom. So once we get to our 5th one, we'll cut that one out. And now the goal of this is to get the 10 with the top searches. Once you have that, those are the 10 tags for that category of shirt. So as you can see, a lot of the times you will be in a certain niche. So a lot of these were yoga shirts. So we can use the same 10 tags for a ton of the shirts over here. So we just have to come up with our list. So if we type in something like yoga clothes, we'll see that that has even more searches. So that's our number 1 right now. And it even shows you the projected searches over here. And that's projected to skyrocket over the course of the next week. So that's actually a really good one to have. So yoga clothes would be our number 1. Then we'll have yoga shirt. And then we'll just keep adding these until we can cut out the ones at the bottom and get 10 of the top ones. So that's really the simplest way to worry about Teespring SEO. And if you just do that, your shirts will rank over the course of 2 to 6 months across the internet. So just worry about that one thing. Don't overcomplicate it for now. If you want some more information on this, there's the full Teespring course linked in the description, so you can check it out there. Otherwise, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming, and I'll see you guys in the next one.